Johnny the one-cell boy is not a cell because of many reasons. First of all, he can be seen by the naked eye. Just because he's lying in some sort of bacteria dish does not mean that he can be seen by the naked eye. This is because bacteria dishes do not magnify the bacteria but allow the microscopic organism to survive instead of dying. Second of all, Johnny the one-cell boy also appears to have eyes, a nose, and a mouth. These are all traits that Johnny the one-cell boy shouldn't have, because if he was truly a cell, then he wouldn't have these things because complex things such as eyes, a nose, and a mouth are simply too complicated for a cell to handle. Another reason why Johnny the one-cell boy is not a cell is because he has a mouth. If he was truly a cell, he would not have a mouth since Johnny the one-cell boy doesn't use his mouth to talk, and the only other reason why he would have a mouth is for eating food, so his body will have energy. In a cell, however, an organelle called mitochondria is used to create energy for the cell. If Johnny the one-cell boy is truly a cell, he will not have a mouth and instead have a mitochondria. Another reason why Johnny the one-cell boy isn't a cell is because he doesn't have a nucleus. This is because he has some very complicated organelles on his body, such as his eyes, which are too complicated for regular cell nucleus to handle. This is because the cell nucleus can only control the cell, and the cell which is split. However, it is not like a brain which can feel, touch, and even see. If Johnny the one-cell boy had a nucleus, his nucleus would be overloaded with the information that his eyes would giving him, and it would explode, and it will short circuit, and Johnny the one-cell boy would die. This means that Johnny the one-cell boy must have some other type of organelle that's complicated enough to handle the information given to him by his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Another reason why Johnny the one-cell boy isn't a cell is because he lacks cytoplasm. This is because Johnny the one-cell boy is bigger than a baseball, and any organism that big does not need cytoplasm to survive. In fact, a creature that big would be made of cells. This is evidence that Johnny the one-cell boy is not a cell, but in fact is actually a creature. If he was a cell, he wouldn't be that big, and Johnny the one-cell boy would have cytoplasm. The last and final reason why Johnny the one-cell boy isn't a cell is because he doesn't have a cell membrane. This is because any creature the size of Johnny the one-cell boy will be made of cells, and if he's made of cells, that means that must mean he will have skin, since there will be skin cells to protect his body. As you can see, the evidence points out that Johnny the one-cell boy isn't a cell, and in fact is actually a multicellular creature.